Hi viewers, Asma is here on your art channel Virtuoso Palette. Well viewers, I have put the brakes on acrylic paintings for some period and about to give you demonstrations on sketching portraits with charcoal pencils and sticks. For the subject, I have chosen the masters of arts from different eras. So let's go to look, watch and observe.
Third portrait in charcoal on Virtuoso Palette. Viewers, I'm using soft charcoal stick to establish the features as usual with a few lines. I have chosen the third artist from a different era, a post-impressionist painter whose work is notable for its beauty, emotion, and color. He struggled with mental illness, remained poor, and virtually unknown throughout his life. Vincent Van Gogh, 1853 to 1890. Considered one of the greatest Dutch painters of the post-impressionist era. Viewers, there's another possibility, and it's better too that you keep the lightest areas free of any charcoal. And the other thing is that also use a kneaded eraser while sketching in charcoal. Viewers, today Van Gogh's works are among the world's most expensive paintings to have ever sold, and his legacy is honored by a museum in his name, the Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam, which holds the world's largest collection of his paintings and drawings. I have made an effort on Virtuoso Palette to sketch a portrait that could reflect this magnificent artist to some extent. Keep watching and sharing your art channel, Virtuoso Palette, with family and friends.
Viewers, I can only make a wish that you enjoyed the new medium. Keep watching and sharing Virtuoso Palette with family and friends. Take care.